How you guys doing? This is Rich from Rich to Be Live, and I have another secret special pick for you guys. It's Mota Ventures, MOTA in Canada, PEMTF in America, Mota Ventures Corp. Now, a lot of people don't know this company because this is the first time that I've ever talked about it. This is the first time you probably ever heard about it. But you could see that Mota Ventures in America up 9% on Friday, and in Canada up 8% on Friday. Now, they just had some big news, so let's get right into the news. Hope you all had a great weekend. This is your boy Rich from Rich to Be Live. We are live, we are interactive, and I have a new pick for you. It is Mota Ventures, and they had some big news, and looks like we're in for a huge day today. Markets are screaming green. Gold is up. Oil was down, but it started to climb back. So not a bad, terrible day for oil. Very bullish day for gold, and very bullish day for the markets right now. On news that the coronavirus may be turning the corner. It might be turning the corner. So let's take a look at the news here on Mota Ventures. While the cannabis industry has gone through a bit of a slump over the past months, the CBD industry continues to grow at a steady pace. Many established companies have grown their customer base quite significantly, and some new promising players have entered the space. I want to show you guys their website. This is Mota Ventures' website. It says right here, our vision to become a vertically integrated, low-cost, high-quality producer, exporter, and distributor of CBD products worldwide. Take a look at that right here. So you could see investor information. You can see the symbols right there. Canada, Germany, and America. And the website is motaventuresco.com. One CBD company that has emerged in recent times is Mota Ventures Corp, symbol MOTA in Canada, PEMTF in America on the OTCQX. Mota looks to eventually become one of the bigger players in the industry. Here are some investor highlights. Mota Ventures Corp, MOTA, PEMTF acquired an already existing CBD brand, First Class, with sales and profits in place. 2019 revenue was $28.7 million for a company that no one's ever heard of. Not bad. Mota Ventures reported 832% sales growth in February 2020 over the same period last year. Gross margins improved by 4.9% from January 2020 to February 2020. Some big news. Direct to online consumer brand Sativida is Mota's direct line to the EU. Sativida sells CBD products across the UK, Spain, Germany, Austria, Portugal, it's my home, and France. 2019 revenue was $560,000. Mota recently launched Pure Herbal Immunity Blend and acquired 5,500 new customers. Wow, that's a lot of customers. Through the first 12 days. Wow. The company also launched an elderberry gummy product in the same line. An immune support product with CBD tincture oil will also be launched. Here's the phone number for Mota Ventures if you want to contact them. Mota Ventures has a current customer base of over 150,000 customers. Wow. With additional leads of over 500,000 potential new customers. It's pretty big for a company that no one's really ever heard of. Here's some of their brands. So if you want to look at some of the technical analysis on Mota Ventures, we can take a look at this is Webull. You could see that the stock has come up quite considerably from 19 cents on, like earlier this month, from 19 cents to over 39 cents. So it's doubled in the last short period of time here on really heavy volume. The recent trading activity signaled that the stock has reached a bottom, and it's started to reach a strong base here around 20 cents, and you can see it's really come up here in the green. You see a lot of buying pressure. So a lot of buying pressure on the stock. Doesn't look like there's that much resistance for this stock to go all the way up to maybe as high as 50 cents. So stay tuned. We'll see how it does today. So the stock has formed a strong base ranging from 32 to 37 cents in this range here. Over the past few trading sessions, this could result in another round of rally in the coming sessions. So stay tuned, okay, guys? They made a big move here quietly. Nobody really knows, but now that we're talking about it, people are going to know now, guys. So I wouldn't be surprised to see some more big moves. Now, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. You can see here the American symbol. It did come down from 50 cents, came all the way down here, was like 9 cents, and is starting to kind of come back up. So it's getting out of this selling range here and is getting into the buy zone here. So it could be pretty bullish here that it's coming out of this red zone here and starting to come up here. So wouldn't be surprised to see this continue this trend. So you can see here the RSI has been climbing up here. So is Mota Ventures a good play right now? Mota Ventures has highly ambitious plans to carry out its targets. The company acquired an already existing CBD brand, First Class, with sales and profits in the US, and has an award-winning direct-to-consumer brand, Sativida, in the EU, European Union. Europe is one of the most lucrative markets for CBD products at this point, and Mota is aiming to gain a footfall in that market. First Class CBD and Sativa combined revenue in 2019 surpassed 29 million Canadian, huge. And due to increased demand for e-commerce 2020, could see increased revenue exponentially. Not bad revenue, 29 million for a company that's trading at 25 cents in Canada, 39 cents in America. And to be quite honest with you, like, nobody really knows about this company. I've never heard anyone ever talk about it. This is the first time I've talked about it, and I've never heard anyone ever talk about this company before. So like we like to do here, once again, we bring it to you first. Let's just say hi to everybody in the room. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Let's say hi to Josias. Good morning. Did I see the INO news? No, what is the news? Garvit, good morning. How you doing? What's up, Brent? Brent says, are we crashing today with oil and a lot more deaths? Huge recession. Crashing today? No. The market's exploding. So the only reason why oil is down is because there is a delay on the OPEC meeting, but I anticipate that meeting will go forth on the 9th in 3 days. So I anticipate everything will be fine. How about call on Bohr? I guess that was a pretty good call. Curative Care says RLV this morning, everyone. Yeah, RLV has been doing quite well, so keep it on your watch list, definitely. What is Mota about? I'm going to get into it. It's a CBD company, and I'm going to get into it more with you guys over the next little bit. But I want to make sure you guys put it on your watch list, put it on your radar, and you know exactly who Mota Ventures Corp is. Because guaranteed, before I even spoken about this company, no one even heard about it before. So hopefully now you know who they are. Put them on your watch list, put them on your radar, And don't be surprised if they start making a move, because now people are getting to know who they are. Jeff Nowak says GW Pharma Epidiolex descheduled by DEA. That's not good. Why the heck would they be descheduled? Thank you, Jeff, for sharing me that. I got to look into that. That's not good news at all. Josiah says INO is moving. Great news. Hey, that's good to hear. I know that one of the issues that with Inovio is that they are being heavily under attack by Andrew Left and Citron Research. So be careful, but definitely good news to see that they are doing well and that they are moving on good news this morning. Let's get back into some of the news here on Mota Ventures, because I love to bring you guys companies before anybody else so you guys can get in early. Love to know what you guys think about this company, Mota Ventures. If you like it, smash the like button, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of Mota Ventures. Have you ever heard of them before? Are you interested in this stock? Do you like CBD? MOTA in Canada, PEMTF in America. So last week, Mota Ventures announced that it was going to launch a new set of CBD products that are going to be focused on supporting immunity, which is huge right now because we got to focus on building our immune systems because of the COVID-19. The launch is inspired by the company's own pure herbal immunity blend. The immunity blend has done exceptionally well, and Mota announced that it snapped up 1,838 new customers in 1 week. The company plans to launch 2 more products in its immune support line, an elderberry gummy and an immune CBD oil. The company had 832% sales growth in February 2020. Earlier in March, Mota Ventures Corp, Mota, PEMTF, announced that its First Class CBD brand generated sales growth of $2,981,000, almost 3 million Canadian. Mota stated that one of the key reasons behind the bump in sales is due to the heightened marketing activities in January this year. The total sales figure represents a highly impressive 832% year-on-year growth. Social distancing and home lockdowns leading to increased health-related e-commerce orders. So essentially, people are at home and they're just ordering more cannabis than ordering more CBDs. The current lockdown in North America and across the globe is increasing demand for online marketplace. Mota Ventures Corp, Mota in Canada, PEMTF in America, online sales channels are proving to alleviate this problem in a big way during this unprecedented crisis. Online orders are surging across the US and in certain provinces in Canada. Cannabis is being deemed an essential product. Not in Ontario. Adult use cannabis average year-over-year sales have jumped by between 15 and 71% across just 3 U.S. states. Bearing these numbers in mind, Mota, with its already established e-commerce capabilities, is ready to take on these new opportunities. What do they got? They got strong leadership. Mota is managed by a highly specialized team made up of people who have extensive experience in public markets as well as cannabis distribution. Mota Ventures Corp is led by its president, Jaisel Shaker, and CEO Ryan Hagen. Shaker is well known for his extensive experience in both the financial and cannabis industries. Hogan took over the leadership of Mota after the acquisition of the First Class from his other company, Unified Funding LLC, of which he is a partner and former president. At the head of Unified Funding, the business has generated a database of over 4.5 million customer records and facilitated over 200 million in customer transactions. The team as a whole has proven itself capable of giving Mota Ventures an edge. Watch this space as Mota grows into a major CBD operator at a global level. So, a lot of information and a lot of news there for Mota. Now, if you guys go to their website, we can look at some of their brands. Ihuana, officially established in the beginning of 2017. Ihuana is made up of an interdisciplinary team that has achieved significant steps to structure a project with high economic, scientific, and human potential. Our mission is to provide patients and the pharmaceutical industry with raw material and final product with high quality cannabis. Our vision is to be the leader of the cannabis market in regards to innovation, cultivation, technologies, scientific research, and compound extraction. Let's take a look at about us. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are having a great day. We are in for a big green day today. Gold stocks are up, oil is down, gold is up, and the markets are heavily in the green, and we're about to open up in just a few minutes. Creative Care says just got approval for medical supplies and supplying in 8 weeks. Oh, that's huge news. Crypto Man says always bringing us winners. Hey man, we trying, man. And sometimes we're trying to bring you winners by identifying undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities that people just haven't heard about. And that's how you get in early. I try to explain it to people like, well, no one's ever heard of it before. Well, yeah, that's how you get in early. When everybody's already heard of it before, chances are you're not in early. But if you're hearing about this company for the very first time, chances are you're getting in early because nobody's heard about them either. So you're giving yourself a chance to get in early. Yeah, man. I was up early this morning. I was up at 5 a.m. this morning. Armando says, morning, Rich. I saw the news for CODX this morning. Are you still bullish about them today? Yeah, I mean, they got some big news. The market is heavily up. And typically when the market goes up, coronavirus and vaccine stocks go down. So that could be putting a little strain on the stock today. But I think overall, I'm still very bullish on the stock. And I think we need to watch it. I don't think you need to go rush and buy it. It was up pre-market and it's come down a little bit. But you definitely need to keep it on your watch list and keep it on your radar. I think there is the chance that it could do well. But because the market is heavily in the green today, a lot of times when the market is in the green, coronavirus stocks, vaccine stocks go in the red. So that could be affecting the momentum of it this morning. But, things can change in these markets very quickly. I think you definitely need to put it on your watch list and put it on your radar. I never told anyone to buy it. I'm not buying it, but I definitely think you need to watch it. The time to buy it would have been on Friday before it exploded. That would have been the time to get in. And now if you're up this morning, you definitely need to be thinking about taking your profits. So let's learn a little bit more about Mota Ventures Corp. Mota Ventures Corp is a Vancouver-based cannabis company with a wholly owned subsidiary in Colombia that has a license to cultivate and process non-psychoactive cannabis. The company plans to complete a 60,000 square foot cultivation facility, as well as a GMP EU compliant extraction lab, which has produced CBD products for the Colombian and European markets. Mota Ventures also has a direct-to-consumer online brand, Setavida, which currently sells into various jurisdictions in Europe, Spain, Portugal, Austria, Germany, France, and the United Kingdom. Company overview. Mota Ventures is a publicly traded company on the Canadian Security Exchange, MOTA. It is a vertically integrated global CBD brand with its cultivation assets in Colombia. It specializes in low-cost production of high-quality CBD oil for wholesale distribution. It will look to expand its existing brand, Ihuana, across Latin America and into Europe. Mota has developed a team of industry professionals experienced in both the public markets and in the cultivation and distribution of medical cannabis. Combining these expertise along with advisors who have intimate knowledge of the Colombian political landscape, Mota is in a position to capitalize from the progressive government legislation aimed at making Colombia the #1 low-cost producer of cannabis in the world. So this just breaks down some of the management team. And you can read about some of the management team. The Colombian team. So pretty cool company, and it's been doing a lot of business quietly under the radar, and nobody really knows. And that's why I'm bringing it to you guys, because I love to bring you guys companies first. Been doing it for years, and we're going to continue to. And last week we brought you QSC. Before that we brought you guys Sona. Before that we brought you guys Baby. Those are companies that I brought you guys that I never heard of before in my life from anyone else, all of which have done extremely well. Mota is another company that I'm bringing you that you've probably never heard of anywhere else, and I believe they've got the potential to do extremely well. Now, as the markets open up, let's see how they do. So markets are starting to open up, and let's just see how they do and how the markets go this morning. Now, overall, let's take a look at the markets. You can see the Dow Jones is up huge, absolutely huge this morning for the Dow Jones. And there's some trades and some picks that are doing extremely well right now. Some of the biggest gainers right now, IMMU, AKER, XSPA, BORR. Hey, good pick, Brent. Very good pick, Brent. VIR is having a big day. CODX is up 24%. So lots of movement so far early in the markets. And look at that, Mota. Just like that, guys. Mota is up already 7%. There you go, guys. Didn't take long. Definitely didn't take long. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at QSC. Wow. Look at QSC. I told you guys last week QSC would hit $1. It hit $1. It hit $1 this morning. Wow. From 15 cents to 98 cents. Guys, that's 700% gains in 1 week on QSC. And remember who brought it to you guys first, okay? I just want you guys to remember who brought it to you guys first. Wow. Unbelievable. PEMTF, Mota in Canada, and PEMTF in America. Mota is up already 6%, and PEMTF was up 9% on Friday. I haven't seen any trading yet today. And let's see if my other pick, Sona, is up today. What are they doing? Oh, they came back down slightly. What other picks could be doing well today? Let's take a look at Kinross Gold. Let's take a look at Kinross Gold, one of my big plays. We don't see KGC. Let's take a look at Kinross Gold in America. Oh, Kinross Gold is up slightly. Let's take a look at NUGT. Gold ETF up 5%. Now we've had some news that Inovio is got some big news. Let's take a look at Inovio real quick. Inovio is up 8% on some good news at $8.40. Looks like they are really making a big move this morning. And back to Mota. So Mota up 6% right now. I have no idea what's going on with Ianthus. I think there's a lot of cannabis companies that are in some serious trouble right now. Let's take a look at Canopy Growth Corp. They're green today, so that's good. That's a good sign for cannabis growth. Take a look at Valens. Valens is up 2%. All right. That's good. Let's take a look at Labs. MetaPharm Labs. Up slightly. Now, if there's anything else that's moving, guys, that you guys want me to take a look at, please let me know. We'll definitely take a look at him. RLV is one that people have been talking about a lot. It's up 18% this morning. It was up huge from a penny to 5 cents over the last little bit, and they're up again another 18% this morning. So definitely keep RLV on your watch list. Keep it on your radar. Look at Labs. Labs just made a nice little bump here. It just jumped to 161. It just kind of came back down here. So bouncing around quite a bit. Mota up 6% so far. Yeah, RLV is making a nice move today, that's for sure. There's no doubt about that. Let's go back to Mota Ventures here. Mota News. So let's go through some of the news here. So this is the news that just came out. Mota Ventures acquires over 20,000 customers in March, launches new immune support product line. 20,000 customers in March alone? That's pretty epic. Mota Ventures acquires over 20,000 customers in March, launches new immune support product line. This was last week. Mota Ventures Corp is pleased to announce and to provide an update on the recent progress that is fueling the increase in sales for products under its First Class CBD brand. The immune support product line has been received exceptionally well by consumers since it launched on March 14, 2020, and has been a significant driver of growth in March. The total number of customers acquired by First Class CBD in March 2020 is 20,959, including 6,419 immune customers with initial coverage spend of Canadian $218.40 per customer. The company will be launching a new brand, Nature's Exclusive CBD, on April 6, 2020. The new Nature's Exclusive CBD brand will introduce a line of immune support and CBD products with a higher content of CBD. The company also anticipates releasing March 2020 financial results for the First Class CBD in the next few days. The month of March has been exceptional, with new customer signups exceeding expectations. We believe this is a testament to our ability to adapt to the fast-paced e-commerce sector and ability to identify upcoming trends in consumer demand. I'm very excited with the rapid progress and look forward to releasing March results in the upcoming days, stated Ryan Hogan, CEO of the company. So that's some big news. And as you could see, their customer growth and the revenue growth is pretty substantial. Like I said, for a company that very few people have ever heard of. So Mota Ventures also announced 832% growth in February 2020 over the same period last year and provides update on First Class CBD sales. So I kind of went into that. So First Class offers a CBD hemp oil formulation intended to provide users with the therapeutic benefits that hemp may offer. Let's go back to the chart here and see if we can see how the stock is doing. So far, so good. And in America, Pemtf doesn't seem to be changing or updating. Not sure why, but we'll keep a close eye on that. Oh, now up to 42 cents, up 7.69%, guys, and traded 486,000 shares in volume. It's pretty substantial. So First Class offers a CBD hemp oil formulation intended to provide users with the therapeutic benefits that hemp may offer. The hemp oil used in the products is derived from hemp grown and cultivated in the United States. The extraction process is designed to maintain all the benefit qualities that hemp may offer. First Class offers a range of products which include CBD oil drops, CBD gummies, CBD pain relief cream, CBD skin serum, and CBD coffee. Interesting. Do they show all those products? Our brands. See here if we can learn more through the investor presentation. So their vision is Mota Ventures Corp is an established e-commerce retailer of CBD products in Europe and the United States. They plan to vertically integrate their brands to become a low-cost, high-quality global exporter and distributor of CBD products. So you can see that they've got a global vision and a branding rollout. In North America, acquired an established CBD brand with existing sales and profits in the United States, integrate production of CBD products. In Europe, acquired an established CBD brand with existing sales and partnered with a European CBD distributor, expand First Class CBD to Europe, integrate extraction and production of CBD products. Build out in Latin America, build out a greenhouse and extraction lab for non-psychoactive CBD cannabis for production and distribution of low-cost CBD branded products. Establish a CBD brand for Latin American region. Pretty amazing revenue growth. U.S. commerce direct-to-consumer CBD brand, 2019 revenue of $28.7 million, EBITDA of $3.58 million. Award-winning European e-commerce direct-to-consumer CBD brand based in Spain, distribution to Spain, Portugal, France, UK, and Germany. License for cultivation and extraction of non-psychoactive cannabis, research and development facility completed. You can see the target market. CBD global market size is expected to surpass $32 billion by 2022. It is estimated by 2023 the pain medication market will increase to $1.5 trillion. European CBD market is expected to grow by 400% by 2023, a total value of $1.7 billion, and 20% of Europe's population suffers from chronic pain, spending $285 billion annually on pain medication. Globally, it is estimated that about 1 in 5 or about 1.5 billion people suffer from chronic pain. First Class CBD, one of the largest US-based online retailers of CBD products. First Class offers a CBD hemp oil formula intended to provide users with the therapeutic benefits that hemp may offer. The hemp oil used in the product is derived from hemp grown and cultivated in the United States. Highlights: a leader in online CBD sales in North America, US grown CBD hemp, acquired at 1.7 times revenue valuation, consideration of 48.2 million shares priced at 80 cents, current customer base 142,000 customers. Wow, with additional leads of over 424,000 potential new customers. 2019 sales, 28.9 million, EBITDA, 3.58 million. So here's some of the products you guys can see. The extraction process is designed to maintain all of the benefit qualities that hemp may offer. First Class offers a range of products, which include CBD oil drops, CBD coffee, CBD gummies, CBD pain relief cream, CBD skin serum. We bring the industry's best mix of CBD and natural-based products to your door. I want to go to Colombia, and I want to learn more about this company. I've never been to Colombia, but I'd love to go, and I'd love to learn more about this company. As you can see, they are at 41.5 cents. RLV is screaming, guys. Oh, it was at 7 cents, now back to 6. It was screaming. Labs is up right now, guys, 4%. Valens is up 1%. CGC is up 3%. Gold is up big. NUGT, the gold miners ETF, bull miners ETF is up. Kinross Gold is up. Kinross is up. Look at this, guys. Sona screaming up again, another 8.96% at $2.19. These are previous picks that have made big moves, and look at this. I told you guys, Pemtf up 22%. Mota Ventures up 22% in America. Pemtf, and in Canada, Mota is up 7% so far. And let's just see what else is up that I'm looking at right now. Let's take a look at QSC. Did it break $1? Let's see if QSC breaks $1. Oh, 92 cents. It did hit $1. It's come back down. It is up 10%, currently at 92 cents. And remember, I brought you this pick last week at 15 cents. Not a bad move. And if we just go look at Market Watch. You can see Market Watch, we are just screaming, guys. Dow Jones up 4%, 895 basis points. S&P 500 up 4%, 100 basis points. NASDAQ up 3.89%, 286 basis points. Global Dow up 3.5%, 84 basis points. Gold screaming up $29, on its way to $1,700, up 1.8 basis points. And oil is down on a delay with OPEC on a meeting, which is going to now, was supposed to be today. It is being delayed until the 9th. So oil is taking it on the chin, but the Dow is absolutely screaming. This is good. This is good for the markets to see that the markets are doing well. Let's go back to the home page here. Let's go back to the home page. And the PowerPoints. Now this is Satavita, which I've mentioned before quite a bit so far today. A leading European-based online retailer of CBD products. Satavita is an online direct-to-consumer retailer of a vast range of organic CBD oils and cosmetics across Europe, and is in the process of expanding its distribution network internationally to include the United States. Highlights include current distributor of CBD products in Spain, Portugal, Austria, Germany, France, and the United Kingdom. One of the top search-ranked online retailers in Spain and Mexico. Award-winning product lines known for its minimal heavy metal content and accurate CBD levels. 100% organic products. 2019 revenue was $560,000 with 64% gross margins. Here's some more of the products. Let's take a look at what some of the people are saying in the live stream. CVSI is up 17%. Nice. Young Killa says, morning, Rich. What is a good price to get into Mota? Well, you want to get in as low as possible, right? Obviously, I'm bringing you this pick now, so it's doing extremely well today. But, you know, it's just climbing, guys. So, you know, what's a good price to get in? The volume is growing, 594,000. shares in volume. It just keeps growing. The price is growing. It's now at 42.5 cents, up 8.9% while we are live. But the RSI is very heavily overbought right now. So the RSI is like at 80. So on the 15-minute chart, it's kind of saying that it is overbought, but it could continue. You never know. It's momentum, right? Who knows how high it's going to go on this momentum. At 42.5 cents, it's the highest I've ever seen it, which is good. But the reality is, you know, when you're buying stocks, you always want to try to buy on a dip. The question is, when is there going to be a dip? I don't honestly know. But definitely put it on your radar, put it on your watch list. And if you want to get in, just make sure you put some stop losses. And if you see returns, always be ready to pull the trigger and take your money when you see it, okay? Because markets are very volatile. There's a lot of ups and downs in the markets. And Mota has already doubled. You know, it's doubled in a very short period of time. So from 20 cents to 42.5 cents, it's a pretty big move. Pemtf, same thing, up 17% right now. It's made some big moves. You can see the volume is growing in America. We're now at 18,000 shares in volume, up 17%. So people are just starting to get to know this stock right now, and they're just starting to buy it. So, you know, I'm not going to sit here and tell you to buy it. That's really up to you. I'm not going to tell anyone to buy anything. I just want you to put it on your watches and put it on your radar because I think it has a lot of potential. Jeff says, a lot of cannabis stocks up, led by CVSI. Yeah, I think that the market's up, right? Like the entire market's up. So you're going to see stocks moving up today, all right? Like we can take a look at this. Everything's up, guys. Visa, without even looking, I already know Visa's up. You know, boom. Huge day for Visa, up 6%, right? Big move for Visa. MasterCard, I already know they're up. Look, 7% up for MasterCard, just shooting right up. Look at this. Just look at the one day. If you look at the one-day chart, you'll see huge buy up here. So big day, markets are up, markets are green, and we're seeing a lot of momentum and a lot of positive moves in the marketplace. You can see gold was much higher. It has kind of retracted. Some gold plays are screaming. Some have come back down a little bit. So Kinross is bouncing around. It was as high as 718. It's come back down to 693. But NUGD is just screaming. The gold miners direction bull ETF. Good to see Labs making a move here somewhat today. Has been as high as 162, currently at 159. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla up 6%. Not making a nice move today. What else, guys? Is there anything that I'm missing that I should be looking at? Is there anything that I'm missing that I should be looking at, guys? Please let me know. Let's take a look at markets. IMMU is up huge. XAN is up. XSPA is up nicely. CODX is holding some gains. Wow, look at the Dow Jones, guys. Holy moly. The Dow Jones just broke 1,000-point gain for the day. Wow. I told you guys at some point these markets are going to turn around, and when they do, it's going to be explosive. Everybody's saying short, 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 making it sound like shorting is easy. Well, it's not. And that's why now everybody who shorted this market on Friday is getting absolutely squeezed. So what you're seeing now is everyone who's in a short position is covering in a panic. They're absolutely covering in a panic, and that's why you're seeing a short squeeze in the market. Clearly. It's pretty clear that we're seeing a massive short squeeze in this market. Beautiful move for Mota. And for Mota in America, PEMTF. Volume has grown to 601,000 shares now for the day, and we're at 42 cents, up 7.69%. And people are just learning about this company right now. They're literally just learning about this company right now. I don't know what's going on with Kinross. I don't know why I keep saying it's at 718, and then I click on it, and then it shows 697. So I don't know what's going on there. Very weird. Probably going higher, guys. I think Kinross is going higher. I think that's what it's signaling. As you can see, NUGT is absolutely screaming. Harris Design says, hi, Rich. I'm very new to this whole thing. Oh, you came to the right place. I wanted to trade in some of the stocks you suggested, but I am unable to use my Wealth Simple app for some of them. What program do you suggest using for trading? Well, if you're in America, I would use TD Ameritrade or Fidelity. If you're in Canada, I would use TD Bank or RBC. Those are the brokers that I use and the banks that I use. If you're international, I would use Interactive Brokers or E-Trade. Jeff Nowak says, AKER, virus play with news today. Yeah, AKER was making a big move. I saw that. AKER. Thank you for sharing, Jeff. Appreciate you, brother. So AKER is up 69%, guys. Now you can see here, it's been in this heavy selling range. It's starting to come out of. So just be careful because it hasn't really got out of this overselling range. I don't know anything about this company. It is up today on obviously some news, but just be careful, guys. Be careful when you're buying these stocks. And I wouldn't chase green. It's not really my style. Wave Select says RLV is going to 9 cents today. It's possible. I mean, RLV has got a lot of momentum right now. It's doing well. It's been making big moves. Anybody that's in the coronavirus space right now seems to be doing quite well. So yeah, RLV, another penny stock at 6.5 cents that you guys want to get yourself positioned in, doing quite well today and has been for quite some time now. QSC, which I brought you guys last week, went as high as $1 this morning, just on momentum, I guess, and has come back a little bit, but is still up 7% at 89 cents. Remember, I brought you guys this pick last week at 15 cents. And my new pick and my new secret pick for today is Mota Ventures, which I'm sure you probably have never heard of before. MOTA in Canada, a CBD play. Pemtf in America. I love to bring you guys plays before anybody else on the planet. And that's why I'm bringing you Mota Ventures, because I've never heard of anyone talk about them before, despite the fact that these guys are actually doing quite well. Take a look at some of their CBD products. CBD oils, the rich CBD oil comes in 4%, 10%, and 15% concentration presentations, produced via a secure methodology and compatible with the environment, free of chemical compounds, implementing completely organic hemp strains free of pesticides and herbicides. CBD cream. The CBD anti-inflammatory cream recipe is specially designed as an anti-inflammatory cream, analgesic, and antirheumatic, relieve pain produced by injuries, muscle tears, and can also help minimize scarring. So take a look at some of the products. Nice looking packaging, nice looking branding, very colorful. So you can learn a little bit about their Colombian operations. 2.5 hectare site. I love to go visit your Colombian operations, guys. I'm just putting it out there. Love to visit. 2.5 hectare site, completed research and development facility, access to natural water reservoirs, and minimal energy costs, located 2 hours outside of Bogota. Ideal growing conditions year-round, low-cost production. Licenses. Fully licensed for cultivation of medical, non-psychoactive cannabis CBD, as well as the manufacturing and exportation of cannabis derivative extracts. Opportunity. Positioned to produce branded CBD products to the global market at a fraction of the cost of local producers. Integration plans. So you can see here, United States, Europe, and global. First class CBD growth through increased customer acquisition, new brand expansion for targeted consumer demographics, Sativida launch within the United States market through services provided by First Class CBD. Europe, First Class CBD launch in Europe using Sativida's Euro-based supply chain and regulatory compliance. Global, growth of low-cost biomass in Colombia for extraction to support global growth supply chains. So this is the growth strategy. Cody Olson, what's up, Cody? Says PII is a good long-term play in 6 to 12 months, 2 to 300% easy. PII? Let's take a look at PII. Yeah, guys, give me your picks. I'll just keep adding them to my watch list. Polaris, up 10% at $42. Interesting play. And if we look at the 1 year, wow, so Polaris was as low as 39, as high as $103 in November. I like this play, Cody. Good play. I like the way you're thinking, my friend. Kinross is climbing, guys. Kinross is climbing. And NUGT is climbing, guys. Keep it on your radar. It's making a move. Mota is up 7% and is still in this range of overselling. It's been as high as 73 cents, so maybe we see it make a move back to those levels. Might be interesting to see. Curative Care says the big news is in 8 weeks on RLV. Hey, so you know what? Keep your eye on RLV then. Maybe we're going to see RLV go higher. It's very possible. We might see RLV go higher, guys. Stay tuned. Kyle asks, is Pemtf still a buy? Well, guys, it's up right now. It just had news. I always tell you guys, don't chase the green. So what I would suggest you do is put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. I think it could go higher. You could see it has gone higher in the past. It's come down recently on the big sell-off in the markets. And now it's going back up. So volume is growing. It's up to 34,000 shares in volume. So I definitely think it has a lot of potential. I wouldn't be bringing it to you if I didn't think it did. Let's take a look at the share structure. So the share structure is pretty tight, guys. Only 93 million shares issued and outstanding. So pretty tight share structure, of which, look at the float. Is that possible? 334,000 shares in the float? I don't know if those numbers are correct, but it seems to me like they have a very, very, very tight float right now, which means you could like blow on this stock and it goes up, which is a good sign. That could go much higher. Wow. Look at gold scream, guys. Wow. Oil is climbing now. Gold is on its way to 1,700. The Dow is flying up 5%. Shorters are getting squeezed to the max. Wow. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. So growth of existing brands through capital investment targeted in customer acquisition, expansion of existing brands into new markets, which we've talked about, vertically integrated e-commerce supply chain with Colombian cultivation and extraction assets to realize margin efficiencies, expanded product line to quickly meet consumer and new market demands. Okay, just see something here. There we go. Okay, guys, so why invest in Mota Ventures? They acquired e-commerce retailers. Mota Ventures has acquired e-commerce retailers with combined total sales of approximately 29 million with an EBITDA of approximately 12.5%. That is absolutely huge. Current customer base of 142,000 customers with additional leads of over 424,000 potential new customers. Strategic partner, unified funding have facilitated over 265 million in consumer transactions for more than 1 million paying customers. EU expansion ready. Acquired brand Setavita has already applied for the novel foods permit, which allows products to be sold in the EU. Vertically integrated production and sales. Low-cost production will be vertically integrated into retail brands to achieve up to 20 times margin increase. So you can see here only a 26.8 million market cap, 29 million in revenue, and you can compare them to some of their competitors like Acreage Holdings, who's got 74 million in revenue and has a 261 million market cap. Aurora Cannabis, who has 247 million in revenue and has a 1.6 billion market cap. Canopy Growth has 226 million in revenue, $8.6 billion market cap. Medicine Man Technologies, 5 million in revenue, a 67 million market cap. Almost 3 times the size of Mota Ventures, despite having a fraction of the revenue. Pharmacello, $110 million market cap, 150,000 in revenue. Ignite International Bills, 7 million in revenue, 117 million market cap. C-Web, Charlotte's Web, 120 million in revenue, 464 million market cap. CV Sciences, 55 million in revenue, 77 million market cap. So you can see fully diluted, the entire share structure is 111 million shares issued and outstanding, which is pretty tight as of March 2nd, 2020. So yeah, guys, that's Mota Ventures. That's my new secret pick. Put them on your watch list. Put them on your radar. We're having a screaming day. So congratulations to all the winners on this screamer of a day. And Mota Ventures is a company that I want everyone to put on their watch list. Put them on your radar. I will not be surprised to see them go higher. I'm not telling you to go chase this. I'm not telling you to go buy it in the green. But I'm saying put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. I think they could be a great company that is underappreciated, underexposed, undervalued, and has huge upside. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. If you like this video, smash the like button. Share it everywhere. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, bringing you Mota Ventures, MOTA in Canada, and Pemtf in America. If there's any other big breaking news or anything that's happening regarding Mota Ventures or anything else, I will bring it to you first. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you the winners, and we bring them to you first. We brought you Mota Ventures pre-market, and once again, they're in the green. Surprise, surprise. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Without you guys, none of this is possible. If you guys have any questions, concerns, anything, please holler at me, email me. If you guys would like to learn more about Mota Ventures, email me, contact me, let me know. Comment down below in the description of this video and share this video everywhere, guys. And please, guys, smash the like button. It allows the video to get more visibility, more eyeballs, and go as viral as possible so we can introduce the entire world to Mota Ventures, a company that I think has so much upside and really nobody knows about. So once again, we're bringing it to you first. Thank you, guys. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace.